An ADSB receiver for your iPad can be a great tool, but often can be an expensive luxury. With a DIY Stratux kit, you can get most of the same capabilities for much less. Let's take a look at building one. First, let's lay out what we need. Most we can find on Amazon. Look for links below. A Stratux housing. A Raspberry Pi 3. 2 ADSB software-defined radios. A micro SD card. We used a 32GB size. 2 ADSB antennas. A Stratux GPS module. And a Stratux AHRS module. First, go to the Stratux website and download the latest Stratux disk image. Download the SD formatter and format your micro SD card. This is different than a normal disk format. Download Win32 Disk Imager and write the image to the card. Select the downloaded image and ensure you write to the correct disk drive. When complete, remove the card. Let's construct the Stratux now. First, we need to secure the Raspberry Pi into the housing with 4 screws. Next, we install the software-defined radios into 2 of the bottom USB ports. Then we plug the antenna leads to the modules. Be sure to note the frequency range of each module and which connector it is plugged into. Next, we install the GPS module and fan USB connections to the remaining ports on the Raspberry Pi. We then install the Stratux AHRS module to the Raspberry Pi's GPIO pins, starting with pin 1 on the opposite side. Next, we install the fan header to the AHRS module from the top shell. We then install the snap-on housing covers. Find the micro SD card slot on the top of the case. Install the card, ensuring it's fully in its slot. Lastly, we install the antennas, making note of the frequency band they are marked and connected to the corresponding radio connectors. Now determine the way you'll power the unit with a USB power supply. And that's it. ADSB data streamed to your iPad.